Love these so you can get a quick reference. Makes keto so easy. Although not as big as I would like, these are great reference magnets. Easy to read and work great on the fridge. All common ingredients are listed. These save so much time trying to figure out serving sizes and carbs. A must-have for tracking your macros. I have been on keto for over 2 years, but never saw these great keto magnets before. These are great. The magnets will be a help to anyone wanting to follow the keto lifestyle. The set comes with many large magnets, some handy restaurant cards that provide mess at restaurants that are keto, and even a magnet where you can use the enclosed wipe-off market to write down your daily meals. This is a really great kit! Exclamation mark. Me and my wife are on the keto diet and it can be really confusing. These cards have been really helpful. They are bright and the words are clear. They are magnetic so that they can be placed anywhere they are needed. We keep some on the refrigerator and one in the microwave and a couple on the stove. The magnets are strong and they hold them in place without them slipping down. Nice product for the price. Great little cheat sheets. General info on carbs, fat and protein. Really helps me make whatever adjustments needed. I bought these because I have been in the keto diet before and it's really helpful. I didn't have this so I had to Google things every time I wanted to eat something. With this the diet is easier, so glad I bought this. A lot of cards with info and a set of wallet size cards to take on the go. Writing is small. All of them will fit on standard freezer door, on an over/under fridge. Great if you're tracking your macronutrients, not if you're a casual keto follower. These magnets are fabulous. Great info and easy to read and follow. Storing magnets that stay put. Love the handy wallet eating out cards. So helpful. Recently had weight loss surgery and trying to stick to low carb diet. These are perfect to help me stay on track. Exclamation mark. Click link in description for more reviews. Please let me know the product you are looking for and I will check it for you for free. Make sure you check the description of this video for all supplement reviews. Please subscribe to my channel today. Thanks.